That guy running off fumes, boy. This is how much a SRT8 take to fill up. Gas price is $3.68, might as well say. $64. Need to get a car wash. I ain't had no car washes forever. I might wash it this weekend. I'm also gonna try to do my tail lights this weekend too, so they're gonna be another video. Hope y'all ready for that. I got an idea that I'm gonna shoot for, and hopefully it come out the way that I want it to, because I got this dope idea and I think it's gonna be fire. So we're gonna try it out. Dang, before I got cut off, I was like trying to say hopefully it come out the way I want it to. $25, I got 144 miles off of it, 0.4. So, yeah, man. But I got this dope idea for the tail lights. I hope y'all ready for it, ready to see what I got planned for it. I'm gonna try it out. We're gonna give it a test and see how it goes. What's good, gang? So I'm riding. I'm trying to set my cruise control. For some reason, my cruise control not working. I don't know, man. It be like that sometimes. Sometimes it works, and sometimes it don't. And sometimes I come in here, my pedal shifters work, and sometimes they don't. If anybody know what I can do, or what I gotta do in order to get that fixed, somebody please let me know. Like I said, I don't know what it is, man. I be coming in here trying to set my cruise control. It ain't coming on at all. Say all that off. I'm trying to turn it on. I don't know, gang. But if y'all know what that may be, y'all please let me know. But I ain't gonna lie, it be like little junk like that to make me not even want the car sometimes. Like, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. Stuff like that, I be like, man, I'm about to go sell it, get rid of it. Cause I like my car to be, you know what I'm saying, spot on, bro. Like, light got that junk like that. Go 12 GSPN got named the sheriff saying right there. Shadow game, man. We gonna figure it out. Like I said, it just be minor stuff like that that be really holding somebody back or trying to hold somebody back. But we ain't gonna let that get to us. I swear I love that car so much. Can't wait to get back on my feet. Motherfucker gonna be a beast. I get back on my feet, but that motherfucker gonna be a beast, boy. Put that on everything. I love. Shadow, I got so much planned for this car, man. Like I told y'all. I forgot to put that tattoo. Man. I gotta go get that real quick. Finna do my exhaust. Finna do. I don't know. I don't know if I want to do headers when I do my exhaust. But I'm definitely doing my exhaust because I know it'll be way better than what I'm running right now. Get up in here. But yeah, definitely doing my exhaust game. I don't know what else I'm gonna do after the exhaust right now. Like I told y'all, I'm gonna let it darken it a bit. But y'all can see me a little bit. Just work with it for right now. Like I said, I got a plan for my tail lights. I got a stupid plan. And planning on doing that this Saturday. And hopefully it come out fine. If it come out fine, it over with. I got this stupid idea in my head. I seen it yesterday. And I know it's gonna be fire because I put 2 and 2 together. You know what I'm saying? I put 2 and 2 together. I just can't wait for y'all to see it. I hope it come out like I want it to. Feel like it is. I gotta do it one more time just to check. I gotta check it at night. That's the only time you really gonna see what I got planned. Do my own little thing. Putting the stock tune back on, gang. Feel me? We gonna only throw that 93 octane on, goddamn, when somebody wanna goddamn try me, you feel me? But since I'm chilling though, putting that stock tune back on. So show y'all the process of this, or at least try to. Let's see if I can get that bit to sit up. Should tell me to turn it off. Oh. Turn key off. Continue. I'm trying to get that bit to sit up. I don't want to sit up. Turn key on. Continue. My bad, it got cut off, but as soon as you got name, you know what I'm saying, get through that process, that's what it's gonna say. Modify stop tune in the vehicle, you may drive it now, so that just says my stop tune is back on. I'm stopped, you feel me? I ain't got no tune. It's just stop, you feel me? So you continue. And that's it. Gang! Well, y'all missed it, man. I be forgetting to record for y'all. Y'all don't never see that green light down there, do y'all? Don't never do that. Slow that bit down, man. I'm tripping out here. Slow it down, man. Man, acting like he don't know where he at. Looks like it finna rain, gang. Glad I didn't wobble the wheel. Y'all want to see the road, but goddamn, I don't be trying to drop my location, you feel me? My goddamn, but it's hot in here. Hold on, I gotta turn it up, son.